Excuse me, pwede ba kitang matanong?
Yes po.
Pabor ka ba sa impeachment ni VP Sara?
No.
Bakit?
Because it is obviously politically motivated.
I mean, maraming may confidential funds sa gobyerno, iba nga billions pa. But why single out the VP? They want justice, but their justice is selective. If these politicians are really serious in cleaning up the government, then investigate all at isama na nila mga sarili nila.